3.15. Currently in third place is Surfer in red. Last wave was 3.5, needing a 3.65 for him to advance. And then Blue
Competitive.
in fourth place. But Blue is up right now. Let's see if he gets the score he needs to advance. He needs a 5.1, but unfortunately he's down right now.
You guys are watching us here at Ilocos Norte, the north of the Philippines. Pagudpud, and it's amazing the waves that you guys are looking at. This is Pagudpud. You guys should visit. This is an amazing place. Good, amazing locals, the waves, quality waves, and of course, visit Carl's Resort.
Yeah, Ikani Surf Resort.
Ikani Surf Resort.
Yeah, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Ikani Surf.
We got 6 minutes remaining in this heat. 6 minutes remaining in this heat. Guys, we'll be moving it on. The waves are out there, so we just want to make sure that it's all moving on. Surfer in red, you're currently in third position. You need a 3.61. You have 2 wave total. You're in second priority, Surfer in red. Again, continuing on what I was saying, we'll move on straight to men's open shortboard at round 24, heat number 1. We'll see Noah Arkfeld there. Noah Arkfeld being the top-seeded surfer in the shortboard last year. We have John Louis Farinas, John Joey Agasa, and King Lord Kalasag on that heat. So guys, if you're out there, please get ready for your your heat. We're entering our 5-minute mark. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining in our situation. Surfer in red needing a 3.61 to move on to the next round. And Surfer in blue also needing a 5.1 to proceed to the next round. Surfer in red up and riding. Now our current leader, Surfer in white, taking up the right on this wave, also doing a little bit of a shower right there again. Tide is getting low and barrel is being offered right now out in the water. Surfer in blue. Nice looking wave there. Doing some rail works but incomplete. Surfer in yellow now. Out at the back. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Surfers for the next heat can start paddling out. That's Noah Arkfeld, John Luis Farinas, John Joey Agasa, and King Lord Kalasag.
Still locking in on the last exchange for the surfers in the water. Judges are making sure that they are locking in on all the scores. We got 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. First priority, surfer in white. Second priority, surfer in yellow. Third priority, surfer in red. And last priority, surfer in blue. Keep surfing, guys, while we lock in your scores. We will see if we have a situation change.
Surfers, you have 2 minutes left, surfers. Surfer in white, you still have priority, followed by surfer in yellow, then surfer in red, then blue.
Red up and riding. Blue up and riding now. Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Yet to let all the scores. We'll update you guys once it's done. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Surfer in white, you're in first priority, followed by surfer in yellow. Here we go. All the scores are locked in, I guess. Still waiting for one more score to lock, so be patient with us. 38 seconds remaining. All right, we've got our situation. Surfer in white, you're currently in first. Surfer in yellow, second place. Surfer in red, you're currently in third place, still leading a 3.61 with 19 seconds remaining. And surfer in blue with a 3.61. You need a 3.61. Countdown begins at 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
On the last exchange, surfer in white, he has the priority on that wave. That was his priority, that was his wave. Surfers, very good if you guys are aware of the priority situation. Because if you guys are needing that wave but haven't had the priority, here we go. Scores are locked in now. Carl, can you call in who's going to the next round?
Sure, Dom. Moving on to the next round with a score of 10.0. Surfer in white, John Kennedy Martinez, you are moving on. MJ Bautista in yellow with a score of 7.10. You are moving on as well. Congratulations to the winners of heat number 6. Round of 24, men's open longboard.
We're currently changing our heat minutes. It's going to be a 20-minute heat for our men's open shortboard, round of 24, heat number 1. And we can see our top seed already on this heat, Noah Artfeld from Siargao Island. He ended up being the first on last year's surf tour. So he's in red. Surfer in white, we have John Louis Farinas. Surfer in yellow, we have John Joey Agasa. And surfer in blue is King Lord Kalasak. It's going to be a 20-minute heat. And we just like to say, what's up, Alan Daguro Gatdula? Thank you for watching our live feed. We have it on Facebook and YouTube. We are set and ready. The judges are all set up, ready to roll. Just waiting for the head judge to give me a blink. Here we go. Head judge Manuel Melindo giving me a thumbs up in 3, 2, 1. Minute heat. This is heat number 1, round of 24. 4-man heat. Here we go. Together with me, Carl. Thank you, Carl, for helping us out doing the commentating, beach commentating, and even live commentating. Here, it makes my life a little bit easier. First wave for Surfer in red. That's the first air that I see in the event. Incomplete though. Surfer in yellow. Good looking face of the wave. Pocket surfing. Giving a little bit of a spray. Surfer in white. Backhand. Whack.
Heats are getting scrappier, Dome.
Here we go. We got blue at the back. That was a good exchange for all the surfers on this heat. Let's see who gets the biggest score on that exchange. Make sure that you're in the priority zone. Surfers, you make sure you're in the priority zone. Priority judge is not yet giving out. There we go, red. Now you have first priority, red. Be very aware. If you are not on the priority card, that means you're not in the priority zone. Our priority situation. Carl, can you give us our priority situation?
So right now, sitting on first priority, we have Surfer in red, followed by blue in second priority, and then Surfer in white in third.
All the scores just dropped in and locked in now for their first wave. Surfer in yellow. First wave, a 5.50. Currently in first. Surfer in white, a 3.75. Sitting on the second position. And Surfer in blue, third. And Surfer in red, currently in fourth.
Red with priority is paddling. Red is up. Blue with priority is paddling as well and is up riding.
Good looking wave for Surfer in blue. Let's see what he can do with this wave. Trying to negotiate on that. White water, not liking the rest of the wave kicking out. Now Surfer in white. Quick floater on Surfer in white on his backside, and that's it. Now again, Surfer in yellow at the back. Up and riding. In and out for Surfer in white. Heading back to our priority zone. Let's see who gets the first priority. 14 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 14 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Still a long time for this heat.
Dom, just wanted to give a shout out to the competitors coming all the way from Siargao. I think they're the farthest ones to make the trip to here in Pagudpud. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. We welcome you here to our beautiful town in Balawi, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte.
Yes, Carl, we've traveled a very long way, but again, it's all worth it. We also got surfers from Lanusa here today, so it's pretty much a similar distance heading here at Pagudpud. Right now, split, white and red. Red still up and riding. A complete air on Surfer in red, the first completed air on this event. That is Surfer in red. Yeah, we were just talking about it. That is Surfer in red all the way from Siargao. Surfer in white now holds first priority. Surfer in blue second priority. 13 minutes remaining.
Gusto naman ba yung mic malapit sa speaker? Sige boss. Sige boss.
Okay, so this is the first scale of an air maneuver of the event from Surfer in red. The judge awarding it with a 6.0 score. Now Surfer in red is in first place. This is where we're gonna scale our air maneuvers from Surfer in red, because this is the first one. Now Surfer in yellow is currently in second place with a 1.0 score on his last wave, followed by Surfer in blue, 2.65. Surfer in white yet to get his second wave. That was a good exchange. Yellow scratching, riding.
Eleven minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Surfers, Surfer in white, you still have first priority.
That was just like a quick tap from our audio tech, making sure that all the audios are working fine. Thank you guys for joining us here at the beach, watching our first leg event here at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. And the waves are not disappointing. Red is up and riding again, wanting another air. It is a completed air. Red is putting up the air game at this heat. With 10 minutes and 15 seconds still remaining on the time, we've got lots of time to show our judges what we can do on this heat. First priority still with white, second priority with blue, and third priority is with yellow. Score on that last air from Surfer in red. Do you like to call that, Carl?
Yep, Surfer in red got a 4.0 on that last wave.
4.0 for Surfer in red. Good backup score. You're currently in first with a 10.0 total score. followed by Surfer in white. That's a really good score for Surfer in red. A high score of a 6.0, backing it up with a 4.0. Now Surfer in white needing a 6.25. But again, with our third, second, and fourth, it's very achievable score. Surfer in yellow only need a 1.65 to move up to second place and on to the next round. And Surfer in blue only needing a 4.5. Here we go, Surfer in yellow looking for that score. Let's see if the judges awards him. White showing his air game. A completed air reverse. Let's see what the judges think about that move. Heat number 2. Let's call their names, huh?
Heat number 2 for men's open shortboard round of 24. We have Eduardo Alciso, Ben Laden Arjona, Kahea Namoro, and Alan Magos. Red is up and riding with another air but incomplete.
We've seen Surfer in white showing us his air game. Let's see what the judges think about that. Surfer in blue looking for a chandelier. Not very deep one. I don't think the judges would. As a barrel. Surfer in white. Last wave, a 3.40. You're still in second place, Surfer in white. Now Surfer in yellow looking for a 1.65 score to move up a place and go to the next round. And Surfer in blue, you need a 4.55 to proceed to the next round. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. What's our priority situation, Sir Carl?
Surfer in yellow, you have first priority, followed by Surfer in red. Seven minutes remaining, Surfer. 7 minutes remaining.
Yellow up and riding, needing a score. He's actually currently in second place already, needing a 4.51 to grab that lead. So Surfer in yellow, the last wave was a 3.65. That puts you up to second place. Now, Surfer in white, currently in third place. You need a 5.41, Surfer in white, with 6 minutes, 15 seconds still remaining. Surfer in blue, you need a 6.5 to move up to the next round.